Hi, my name is Kirk Payne. I'm one of the lead installers here at HomePride Bath. I started in construction, just coming out of high school working for my dad's company. We ran fiber optics for commercial buildings. We did a lot of ceiling tile work, extension ladders, drilling through concrete. We did that for about 7 years. I started here at HomePride Bath about 3 or 4 years ago and knocked out about 300-400 showers at least. And I love it. I found a new passion doing it. The beginning of my day for constructing a bathroom starts waking up about 4 or 5 o'clock, depending where your location's at. Getting to the warehouse, picking up all your materials, double checking what you have, calling the customer on the way to give them a heads up. And then once you get there, introducing yourself, go over all the material list, and then you start laying out all your carpet or your rugs to protect their house, because you want to definitely treat it like your own. I was originally born in California, about the mid-desert area, and then when I was about 7, I moved to northern Idaho for my dad moved jobs going up there. And then about freshman year, 2008, we moved to Colorado from Idaho, and been here ever since, and just learned to love the Rocky Mountains. Living in grace means for me just being humble in everything that you do, having pride in everything that you do. My mom always said, no matter what you do, just be your best at it. Being graceful and being kind to everybody and joyful towards the customer and giving them the best experience possible. I feel like we're going with HomePride is a smart choice.
Thank you for calling HomePride. This is Ken.
Because of their overall transparency throughout the whole process from start to finish, their open communication, the material you're getting is top notch. The bathrooms at the end are just one of a kind. So the start to finish is a lot, but it's very rewarding.